Hey guys, Richard here for AndroidCentral.com, and we're back with the Kobo Arc. So we're in the process of reviewing this right now, but we're going to concentrate a little bit more on the software aspect of the tablet now. So as we mentioned in our initial walkthrough, the Kobo Arc is running Android 4.0.4 Ice Cream Sandwich. So a little disappointment perhaps for some that there's not Jelly Bean on board, but it is in the works, we do know this. But we're going to look at Kobo's custom interface, which they call Tapestries. Now, essentially, it's one very long screen which goes off to the right, and we've got this Discover bar here at the bottom. But different to kind of usual home screens, it's centered around organising content. So here I have a reading tapestry, which is essentially just a large folder, but the beauty is that this folder, this tapestry, is as big as the main home screen, the main tapestry. And as you can see from here, we can pin pretty much anything. You know, we've got apps, we've got widgets, we've got web links to articles. You know, it looks a bit of a mess, but it's basically a way of just jumbling all your particular types of content together. So we've got a big web link here to Jerry's Nexus 10 review, because you can't beat reading that every now and again, just to remind yourselves how awesome it is. But you know, it's all big and bright, and you can put some kind of organization into it, but you can literally just throw things together and throw them all in this one big pile. And as you pin things to a tapestry, the Discover bar at the bottom learns from what you have, what you read, what you're browsing, anything that you're consuming on this tablet, and it will search the internet and it will suggest things for you to browse and things that you might be interested in. So we can pin something here to this tapestry related to the Nexus S. Don't really know what it is, but obviously it's picked up that I like Android. But again, jumping in, we've got one here for media, widgets and apps. It's just a really nice way of sort of organising it. They've put a lot of thought into how to do it. So I mean, we'll jump in here and we'll just create a tapestry. It is literally just as simple as holding down the home screen, tapping on Create Tapestry, and then when you go into the app drawer, if you want to put apps in there, just drag and hold as you would if you were creating a folder on a normal home screen. So I've created one here for my games, so we'll put Shadowgun in there and Need for Speed Most Wanted, and then you open up and they automatically sort of organise. But we still keep the same settings, so you keep the same wallpaper. It's individualized, but it's not a massive departure. And the good thing is, this is essentially just a launcher. Kobo's done very, very good work here with the home screens, but when you dive into the app drawer, you can see, aside from changing the fonts a little bit throughout the UI, it's basically stock Ice Cream Sandwich with a launcher over the top. That's a quick look through Kobo's Tapestries UI. Thanks for watching.